So there's two big camera stabiliser brands at the moment, the DJI Osmo and the GoPro Karma. They're both around £290. This is something new to the market. This is the smooth-q 3-axis smartphone stabiliser, and this costs about £129 and is supposed to be just as good. So I'm going to unbox this and see what I think. So it arrives in quite a smart white box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we've got I guess that's a lens wipe, possibly. Not quite sure what that's for. And we've got the stabiliser in a soft protective pouch. I guess this is the main thing, so let's open it up and see. Okay, so we've got the stabiliser. It's hanging loose at the moment. Keep that in the pouch. Let's see what else is in the box. I've got the instruction manual, user guide version 1.2. Straps for the camera bag, and a USB charging cable. Okay, I'm going to try to turn it on for the first time, seeing how this looks and what happens. So, phone's in the stabiliser, holding the power button, and straight away the phone is up. It's horizontally stabilised. It's facing the opposite way, but if I move my wrist and adjust, it turns around and it's facing the right way. If I turn on the camera, you can see straight away I've got control. I've played around for about half an hour now and started to get an idea how the stabiliser works. The connection between the gimbal and the phone is done with the Zhiyun Assistant app. So if I start that up, at the moment there's no connection. I'm going to turn on the stabiliser and let that get started. And now from this point, press connection, and it gives me the Bluetooth connection of the gimbal. So if I press that, I'm now connected. Now, apart from the screen being on its side, you can see that it's connected and the adjustments are shown on the screen with the movement. If I go into the camera mode, I've now got control of the camera through the physical buttons on the stick. So I can zoom in and out like that. I can take a photo, and I can switch to video by pressing down on the zoom, and now I can start and stop video from the physical button. So that gives you the control then of the phone via Bluetooth, and you also have the physical control of the stabiliser. So because the stabiliser uses a universal phone mount, you can actually mount anything you want in there, including large phones, small phones. I've put an action camera in here, so similar to a GoPro. I can take that out and I will be able to get stabilised footage, even though I'm not using my phone. So I've pressed record, the camera's started, and now just moving this is holding the camera really steady no matter what I do. So if I'm walking or if I'm kind of moving around, if I walk ahead now, you'll see how stable it goes. Just gonna walk down this path, this uneven country lane, and set a video going, and we'll see how stable that comes out. So that's going pretty well. I'm gonna start to run, see how that goes. Okay, so while I'm running there, the camera on my phone is staying pretty stable. Quite confident that's going to come out quite well. So I thought just going up these steps would be quite a good demonstration of the capability of the gimbal. So I can go up that uneven ground, straight onto the path. No real issues, quite good. Feature here that I want to have a look up at. I just push the joystick up, look straight up at this chimney, fold it back down, and then in one smooth motion I can go back to the road I was walking on. It's professional, it's kind of neat. Okay, I hope the clips have been useful for everybody. I've tried to show a little bit of everything the stabiliser is capable of. I've been playing around with this for over a week now. I've been really impressed by its capability and the quality of the stabilisation. If you're looking to buy one of these, I'll put a link into the description. It's about £129 on Amazon at the moment, so it's over £100 cheaper than the GoPro Karma or the DJI Osmo. If you're interested in seeing more, let me know, leave any questions or comments down below, and subscribe if you want to see a little bit more content like this. Thank you for watching.